This is a quick 5-minute meditation to do in the morning, just before you go to work, or whatever it is that you've got to do in the day. Today is going to be a successful day. I want you to meditate on that mantra. I want you to be fully present in the moment today. Whenever you feel like work is overwhelming or you have too much on your to-do list, bring yourself back to the present moment and that mantra. Today is going to be a successful day. Just breathe with that mantra here and now. Today is going to be a successful day. You're going to feel in good spirits today. You and your co-workers are going to get on well. The work that you approach, you're going to approach with a positive attitude. And you're going to take it one step at a time, so it's easily manageable. And you're not going to feel stressed or let things get on top of you. Today is going to be a successful day. Do you think you're put here to feel stressed and overwhelmed all the time? No, work isn't meant to be like that. So it's time for us to take back control of our emotions. No one, no thing, no circumstances can have control over your internal well-being if you decide not to let those external influences have control over your internal well-being. It's only you that has the power to control you. So why is today going to be a successful day? Because you have that control, no one else. Be present. Breathe. Success comes to those that are fully present. So, in order for you to be the most productive, it's actually better for you to feel good whilst you're working. You don't have to feel stressed. Don't feel like you need to feel stressed in order to get things done. You'll actually be less productive if you try and take on too many things. If you try to do too many things at once. I know sometimes we can be rushed. Sometimes people can be on our cases. But like I said, the only way that they have power over you is if you let them. Fully be present today. Choose you, your own internal well-being. Today is going to be a successful day. Thank you, and have a good day.